Come test drive the 2020 Nissan Rogue. The stylish Rogue gets 27 mpg and still boasts nearly 58 cubic feet of cargo space. With a 5-star side impact safety rating and confident handling, the Rogue is more than you expect and everything you deserve. This vehicle has less than 8,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, dual airbags, power steering, front wheel drive, 4-wheel disc brakes, center armrest, security system, trip computer, electronic stability control, power windows, rear window defroster, CD player, brake assist, day and night rear view mirror, outside temperature gauge, panic alarm, tachometer, remote keyless entry, overhead console. If affordable style and reliability are what you're looking for, this vehicle couldn't be more perfect. Drive it today.